set every single day. What was it like living in a tank with Shia?
Well, after day 3, you get used to it. So then it's just family.
And I gotta ask you how.
That boy turns in an amazing performance. You watch that.
So here's how the feud rumors started. This cast shot with Brad and Shia on opposite ends, as far away from each other as possible. And it just added to the headline that the two had fistfights on set every day.
Tell me about the fighting that David had you guys doing before every single day. First thing in the morning, you guys had like what, boys fight club or something?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty intimate. It's like it was an opportunity for us to get to know each other in a different way.
So were you going after Mr. Pitt? Were there rules, no hitting Brad, or were you going for it?
No, no rules.
No rules and no rift. I mean, remember when Brad gave Shia this kiss at a Tuesday night screening? And nothing but love last night for World War II veterans.
Active U.S. military men and women were a big part of tonight's Fury premiere in Washington, D.C.
Brad even consulted with vets for his role. The 50-year-old actor looked super sharp in his black two-piece Tom Ford suit last night. But here's the thing. He was so dressed up, we noticed some big changes. I mean, compare Brad's clean-cut D.C. look to 3 of his other most recent premieres. Longer hair, more scruff, and a way more casual look. Maybe it's the Angie effect.
How's married life?
It doesn't suck.
It doesn't suck.
Newlywed Pitt let us in on another family secret. His son Maddox was an unofficial tank consultant for Fury, out tomorrow.
Matt knows a lot about, he's a World War II buff, so yeah, for my beginning training, he helped me out a lot.
So it's not about what you thought about the final cut. What did he think about the final cut of the film?
He had to see the final cut. I showed him a few early ones, and he was in. So that was a good sign.